Alrighty, today we are looking at a 2018 Hyundai Tucson. We're going to be looking at the Evap system. This vehicle has the typical closed Evap system with a charcoal canister and a purge control solenoid. So our charcoal canister is going to be right here, and then our purge solenoid is up here. Its job is to capture fuel vapors from the tank, store them, and then send them back to be burned in the engine. Our fuel tank is gonna send the hydrocarbons through our charcoal canister, and then our vent port is gonna open, allowing airflow through our fuel tank air filter, so no dirt can enter the evap system. As that is happening, our purge control solenoid will be duty cycled, creating a vacuum pull through our tank to our canister, then to our purge valve, then to our intake manifold, where our vapors will be burned. So I'm gonna quickly show you just kind of like the travel of, so we come, as this gathers in the fuel tank, the hydrocarbons are gonna go through here, go through our canister, and then once we get our air through our fuel tank air filter, air is gonna come in through here as our purge solenoid opens the air and the hydrocarbons that basically got like washed in the canister. Both of those are gonna pull a vacuum through our purge solenoid and then go right back into the intake manifold, where it'll be reburned and pass through the catalytic converter in the muffler. Alrighty, we're still working on the Tucson. Right now I am looking at the purge control solenoid. So it's gonna be right here. I am currently ohming it out just to see if I can get the resistance measurement. It is 20.8 ohms, which is within the spec of the purge control solenoid.
Alright, so now we're looking at this 2018 Hyundai Tucson, and we have our Think car scan tool hooked up, and we found out that we can actually remotely do an evap leakage test on this scan tool. So our car is getting up to temp right now, and once it gets up to temp, we're going to start the test. And we have no codes on the dash currently, no lights on the dash, and there are a couple of prerequisites you need to follow before this test actually ends up completing or being able to start. And you need to have basically no DTCs with anything related to the ECT or O2 sensors and stuff like that. You need to have more than 11 volts of battery voltage and over 176 degrees Fahrenheit for your cooling temp. Alright, so right now we are testing the evap leakage, and we're going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit. It's testing currently. There's no leaks detected. Okay, so that's how we know our evap system is working, and that's good.